What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we are still in Utah. But I have to say, as much as we love traveling to new areas, it's really cool to be in the same area, but just experiencing different seasons.
Yep.
So we've wintered here, we've done spring here, and now we're doing summer, and we're about to catch wildflower season, which is personally one of my favorites. So we are going to be making a yummy early dinner, and then we're gonna go exploring some of the wildflower fields along the lake.
So she's all about the wildflowers. Kate and I are all about the water, so it's kind of a win-win situation there.
Which actually brings us to today. I'm going to be griddling for you and for us some honey garlic shrimp and rice.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
First things first, I'm going to get our honey sauce started. What we've got going on for a base is some soy sauce. Of course, we've got some honey, some minced garlic, a touch of minced ginger, and a few red pepper flakes. What we do want to do is let our shrimp marinate for about 15 minutes in this garlic honey sauce. We want to make sure all of our shrimp gets coated.
Somebody forgot to shell a shrimp.
We'll just fix that real quick. I'm gonna get a little bit of oil down first on the griddle. Now I am going to get our shrimp down. They've been marinating for a nice 15 or so minutes. Oh, it smells so good. We're going to go through and give them all a flip. This is just a super easy, quick, tasty meal, especially when you've got somewhere to go, something to do, or something to get into. Our shrimp are ready. I'm going to put them to one side of the griddle and then add a little bit more of our sauce, bring it to a sizzle, and then turn the griddle off and set it aside. I'm gonna clean off our excess sauce. Next up, we've got to get our rice down. Got some jumping rice here.
Gourmet popping rice.
Before I plate it up, I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro to our shrimp. Time to plate her up.
That looks fantastic.
Yeah, it smells delicious. And we're going to garnish with a little bit of green onion.
Best ones are the ones that move quickly.
Oh yeah, but they also look so presentable. All right, let's dive in.
That is so good.
Oh my gosh, that's delicious.
When you can impart that much flavor to a protein with very little effort,
yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah, this is definitely one that we try to keep in our rotation frequently. It's delicious, and you should definitely try it. And if you do, leave a comment below and let us know what you think.
Visit blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone, griddles, accessories, and more. Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks on the channel.
Like Bruce, Betty, Nate, Todd, CJ, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.